Happy birthday, ate! I love you. I miss you so much. Enjoy your big day. Matanda ka na pero maganda pa rin. Kamukha kita. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you so much.
Happy 50th birthday, Keng! Wish ko, sana lagi kang healthy. At syempre, lagi kayong masaya dyan. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Raquel.
Enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. God bless.
Yan, happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday sa pinamagandang pinsan dyan. Shout out. Tsaka sana magkita na tayo soon. Ganyan, mahal na mahal ka namin. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo.
Hello, Ate Raquel. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you good health at saka laging maganda pa din. Ganun. Miss you.
Raquel, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka para magkita pa tayo.
Kel, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Hayaan mo yung 50, edad lang yan. Pero, very young ka pa rin tignan. Mana ka sa akin. Basta, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, good health. Saka huwag masyadong nagagalit. Ha? Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again, and thank you for inviting us. Honestly, you're a second time. You and Nina. And we're so happy to be with you today.
I don't know where to start. Ate Flor and Nina, we've known each other since Bethany days. Zia grew up with them, Zoe as well. I just wanna thank you, Ate Flor, for everything. I mean everything. Especially now, with work and school, family. I think she's one of the people that I really listen to, advices and stuff with life and just everything. 31 years.